Thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is super exciting. I am going to be sharing with you guys some new wig from Wig Types. So thank you so much, Wig Types, for sending over this wig. If you guys aren't familiar with Wig Types, they are an online beauty supply store that sells all the newest and latest in synthetic Lacefront wigs, human hair, hair care products, and all sorts of things. So I'll leave links down below to where you can check out this wig and Wig Types website. And yeah, but let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So this is the wig that we have today. This is the melted hairline lace front wig. This one is from Outre, I believe. It's their 2x5 deluxe wide lace part, and it's called Toriana, and I have her in the color number 2. So it looks like that lace color is pretty good. It's a little gray, but it's cool. This hairline, this parting space looks amazing. I really love this parting space. Looks like it is a middle part. Yep. We've got a little bit of lace in here and lace around the edge. We've got an elastic band. 2 combs on either, 1 comb on either side, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. This color is really pretty. This is a nice color too. It's actually kind of light to me. It almost looks like a color number 4. The haircut looks really pretty. It's the type of wig that I really like. A lot of pretty layers, flowing curls. Love this. I think this is going to be a great unit. Looks like it can be really great for every day. I'm glad I got it in a natural color. I'm going to go ahead and cut off this tag. So this is the melted hairline, seamless hairline for the realest illusion. It has soft HD transparent lace, wide deluxe lace part, pre-plucked hairline and sideburns, pre-attached elastic band, redesigned comfort fit ear contour. Oh, that's good because sometimes the ear does mess with you. Salon inspired colors and natural baby hairs. So this wig has a lot going for it. So let's go ahead and get into it. What I'm going to do is start the way I always do with my medium dark brown ebon lace tint spray. I'm going to go ahead and do medium dark brown. So that's the shade that I use. Let me go ahead and flip this bad boy the right way. So that's what that's looking like. And then what I think I'm also going to do is I think I'm going to add some foundation. The foundation I'm going to add is this darker shade here. That's the shade of the foundation. Let me push the hair back so you can kind of see. So that's what that's looking like around the hairline. Right, so now I'm gonna just go ahead and cut off the excess lace and pop this unit on. All right, I forgot to mention before, if you like the bonnet, the bonnet is available on my website, GLEEmade.com, or if you prefer to order from Amazon Prime, it's available there as well. So I'll leave links down below. You can type into Amazon GLEEmade bonnets and you'll be able to find these as well. I'm going to use a black cap because I just find it easier to blend with that. And my hair is just braided into 2 braids. This wig feels very snug. I'm not sure if it feels so snug because my braids are not braided down very well. My hair is really thick right now. But this wig definitely feels tight. Well, not tight. It just feels like it's definitely fitted. This is a very pretty wig. I'm like, I feel like I could wear this wig glueless. Literally. It looks so good. I feel like I could just wear it glueless. It just looks pretty. This wig is so like office ready. I wish my braids were braided down a little better, because this wig is really laying like really nice, but my braids are not braided right. This wig is so everyday, so ready. Like, how beautiful. This is literally, you put this wig on and you're good. I was going to use my Wig Dealer Melt Spray, but I don't feel like I need to do that, because this wig is just beautiful. You can wear this glueless for sure, like nothing. This wig is good to go. Absolutely wear this bad boy glueless. Look how pretty this is. Oh wow, I'm surprised. This wig is like your hair, but easy. Like, press the easy button and make it look like it's yours, but easy. This is giving silk press out the salon. Silk press black girl hair. Like, this is quintessential. Like, go to the salon, sis, give me that silk press and wrap me before I go out. And you comb your wrap down, and this is the look. This is the look. Of course, you could always just put a little spray right there. So that's it, you guys. This is the look. That's the look. That's it. This wig is super easy, okay? So easy. And I love it. The texture on it, beautiful. I definitely would recommend this unit. Absolutely. So again, this is Outre Toriana in color number 2. Let me know your thoughts down below if you want to try this unit.